Here we come to the elevator at 1135 Kildaire Farm Road in Cary, North Carolina. This is a Dover Impulse from 1988. Interesting 3D door sensor. 3. Ring the bell. I'll ring the bell again. Classic Dover Impulse fixtures. Look at this one. This has got the older contact. Okay. Or this one. I think this one clicks, but I don't know. Anyways. There's your ADA compliant phone. Well, look at this door open button. Older contact. Anyways, we're gonna go back down because there's people coming back and forth. Definitely an 80s Dover. These are all replacement fixtures. These are the older contacts. I really like the brass steel doors. See if it rings again. Nope, it doesn't do it. Most of the 80s Dover Impulse have like a different controller. You see the Dover blue right there. Like, interesting how it only chimes right when the door opens, because usually when the door opens, it like usually chimes when the door is all the way open. But this one, it starts to chime right when the door opens. So anyways, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.